Everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I'm in the kitchen making pizza dough, and I'm using a recipe you can find at foodnetwork.com. It's pizza dough. Bobby Flay made up the recipe. I figure why reinvent the wheel? So we're going to make this recipe today, and for this you will need 1 teaspoon sugar, 3.5 to 4 cups bread flour, an envelope of instant dry yeast, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, and 1.5 cups water. That's about 110 degrees, so nice and warm but not too hot. Okay, so gather up your stuff and we'll get started. Okay, so I have my mixer here, and my mixer, it has its dough hook on, and it's a strange looking hook that looks like this. So into the bowl of our mixer we're going to put 3.5 cups bread flour. So go ahead and add that. Use your other hand. There you go. Woo! There it goes into the mixer. All right. So after we have our flour in here, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Go ahead. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and we're going to add 1 package of instant dry yeast. So all of that goes in too. All right. Then we're just going to give it a little whirl around there. Oops, better plug this in first. Hang on a quick sec. We're going to mix that around just to kind of mix up the dry ingredients. Okay, then after that we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. That's about 110 degrees. So warm.
Do it.
Okay, go ahead. Good job. All right, then we're going to give that a whirl. Okay. Now, depending on the type of day you have outside, whether it's really dry out or if it's really humid out, you might need to add a little bit more flour or a little bit more water to your dough. So we're going to mix this till it comes together. It's actually looking kind of on the dry side, I think. So just hang on just a second. Just a tiny bit more water. We're going to add like another tablespoon of water. Okay, good job. Let's see if that helps. Oh, have to bump around a bit. Now it's starting to pull away from the side, so that's good. Okay, let's see how our dough looks. It's a little bit on the sticky side now. We might have added. Let's pull that up. So once we have our dough, what we're going to do is take some flour and we're going to sprinkle it on our work surface. Let's move this way over. Let's see what we're doing. Sprinkle that on our work surface. We're going to take our dough off. Go. Thank you, Jake. Okay. Sprinkle it with a little bit of flour, and we're going to give it a couple of good kneads. Just kind of work it around there. Okay. There's our dough. Next, we're going to take a little bowl, and put some olive oil in the bottom. Just like that. And we're going to put a little on the top, and we're going to stick our happy ball of dough in there, and we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap until for about an hour to let it rise. All right, well, I hope you guys get to make your own pizza dough, and check back with us and we'll show you what our pizza looks like when it's done. All right, bye for now.